Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can redeem a battle.net gift code. So first of all, what you need to do is head over to blizzard.com. Once you head over to blizzard.com, you will be on this page right here. So what you need to do now is you simply need to come to the top right hand corner, click on the drop down menu and then click on account settings. Once you click on account settings, you'll be brought to this page here, and as you can see there will be an option for redeem a code. All you simply need to do then is enter in your 16-digit code in this box right here, and then once you do that you will be able to click on redeem code.